If your website isn't replying instantly, you're losing customers. So let me show you the AI chatbot I've been testing, because it replies automatically, collects leads, and supports visitors 24/7, all without writing a single line of code when setting it up. Let's dive in to Elfsight. Now, Elfsight do a bunch of different things here. As you can see, you can basically put in any type of widget onto your website in a matter of clicks. Some of these can be AI powered, others could just be things like a WhatsApp chat, Instagram feed, countdown timer, and much more. But let's dive into the Elfsight AI chatbot, because honestly, this is one of the easiest website tools I've ever installed. And yes, there's a free plan, so anyone can use it. Now, if you do want to get involved with Elfsight and optimize your site a lot better with these widgets at any point in the video, guys, definitely use our code. Link will be in the description. But if you are just on the site now, it's DIGITALPW in all caps. If you put that in, guys, you're actually going to get 30% off on everything on the site. So definitely check that out. So what we're going to do here first is go to catalog, and then we're going to go to the AI powered section. And this is where we can choose the AI chatbot. So let's actually move myself over so you can see the preview here. So now we can see a bunch of different templates to start, but it's important to note again, guys, you could try everything here with no upfront cost. The free plan is fully featured, so you can see exactly how it performs on your site. Now, this works on any platform you use, whether that's WordPress, Shopify, Webflow, Wix, or Squarespace. You simply just copy the small embed code, paste it, and the chatbot appears instantly. So let's go ahead and pick one of these templates. We go with a darker theme. We can have a background similar to WhatsApp, or we could just go with the standard white theme. I quite like the dark theme here, so let's continue with this template. And this is actually going to be something that is completely powered by GPT. So this isn't some clunky support bot with automated answers. It uses GPT, so the conversations feel natural and human-like. It answers questions, guides users through product info, basically everything to do with your store. Now, the knowledge-based training is my favorite part here, because you can upload your own content, FAQs, product documents, and policies, and the bot will answer based on your business information. It basically becomes a trained support agent for your brand. So I have this website here. This is my jewelry site for dropshipping, and I'm going to put this into the chatbot here. So put in your website URL, analyze, and then it's going to essentially give us the option to train our AI agent. So it's already analyzed the site, and it's actually adjusted the branding of this support page to the branding of my site, which I think is really cool. So now, so it can actually answer our questions here, what we could do is actually input different web pages of our website into this. We can also put files like PDFs, text blocks, questions and answers, Q&A, and we can also get the agent behavior sorted here as well. So if we want the agenda of this agent to collect contacts, follow-up message, or give it specific instructions, we can do so in this section. Now let's go down to the greeting tab. This is where we can actually get the perfect greeting for our customers. There's also this quick replies section, which basically allows our user to select a certain question that the agent can reply to. So we can see all of these three here actually appearing in the preview. This just allows the customer to shortcut potentially typing in a whole sentence rather than just putting in their question here by pressing a button. And we can also add greetings display, so we can have this on page load, after delay, and an in-chat window only. In the general section, this is where we can actually start to customize here. So we've got the launcher button. We can change this icon if we want. We can change the button position, whether we want it right or left, or actually add different margin to it. And we can actually send the chat history to our email as well. This way we can review our customer service and make it better. We can also mess with the language, time zone, and even add advanced custom CSS if we need. If we go to the theme, this is where we can select the accent color for our site. Now, it did this automatically using AI, but if we did want to change it, this is where we would go. Now, once we're happy with this, we simply press publish. So if you want your website to convert better, answer instantly, and stop losing customers, definitely try the Elfsight AI chatbot. It takes 2 minutes to set up, And literally, guys, it's super easy to do, as you've seen in this video. Link will be below, and remember, you get 30% off your plan with promo code DIGITALPW. That's all caps, DIGITALPW. Go check it out and you'll see why so many websites are using Elfsight, not just for the AI chatbot, but all of their custom widgets. That's going to be it from me. Have a fantastic day. I will see you in the next one.